Opting for the 2025 Honda HRV is a very sensible choice. It has top safety scores, loads of space, a well-made cabin, sold feature content for the money, and carries Honda's well-earned reputation for reliability and resale value. As simple, dependable transportation for those wanting to sit up a bit higher and needing some extra versatility, the HRV checks the boxes. Perhaps it's not surprising that the HRV is so popular with first-time and Gen Z car buyers who, no doubt, want to make sure their first go at this car thing doesn't go awry. As they may eventually find out, however, there's more to a car purchase than checking boxes. While the HRV is certainly sensible, it is also incredibly dull. Competitor subcompact SUVs offer distinctive style, better performance, more enjoyable driving experiences, and can cater to certain niches with sporty or off-road variants. Importantly, those rivals are plenty sensible in their own right, with interior volumes, fuel economy, and/or prices that better the HRV. Apart from its unique high-mounted, floating center console, the HRV's handsome design and above-average materials are largely in keeping with the Honda Civic. That's a great thing. The most obvious Civic cue is the wheel-to-door air vent plated by a metal-look honeycomb pattern. There may come a day when Honda overuses this design element, but, for now, it's exceptional. You can read our deep dive review of the HRV EXL interior here, and see what the mid-grade Sport looks like above with its distinctive, almost plaid-like fabric upholstery. Now, are those screens better than those of the HRV's rivals? The bare-bones small screen is definitely worse, and when compared to the Kia Seltos and Chevy Trax/Buick and Vista Twins, the 9-inch one is unlikely to be preferred as well. It's not demonstrably worse, though, and seems unlikely to be a deal-breaker.